welcome to a new review. Today I'm be reviewing Dexter Hoover with checkered flag. So I already did have him, but the mirror where the flag went on broke. And the flag vanished. So might as well get a replacement. Also, they have different faces as well. It's just something I like to point out. Yeah, this was the Vietnam release from 2021. So there's Dexter Hoover with checkered flag. The warning, choking hazard, small parts are not for children under 3 years because of the flag piece. In the back, as seen in Cars with McQueen, hauling gas the King, Marlon clutches McKay, Todd Marcus, Brad Windmiller. Yeah, a bunch of Cars debuted in Case B. Like, everybody on the back besides McQueen, Dexter, Hot Rod Smokey, Richie, Dino Cruz, Fabulous McQueen, and a few others. So, yeah, I got this guy at Walmart, so might as well get him open. I get out of that flag. And let me try to insert this flag. Okay, got the flag inserted. So, taking a look at him. Piston Cup Racing Series official with a nice yellow trim on the hood. Kind of similar to what race official Tom has. But one thing I never understood is, how come they never fixed Dexter? They fixed Chris Ravstopsky, but why don't they fix Dexter Hoover? Huh? Tell you have a problem with that? Yeah, but I don't know why. Lately, every year, it feels like Dexter Hoover's gone re-released. I mean, he was outfit. I can't remember what flag it was. I think it was green. It's probably green. Yeah, it was green. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, he has this pretty concerned expression, like he probably just saw McQueen, the King, and Chick. He's like, oh. Yeah, I feel like the decals are a lot more easier to see than the Vietnam one. The Vietnam one just felt too fuzzy. The basis is 245 EA. Probably meant like, I don't know what week this guy could have came out. I'm trying to think, but I don't know. What could have it been? Mean. I don't know. I'm really bad with the 2026 Cars date stamps on the bases. Let me compare them to double clutch delay. I like how they both have checkered flags, though. That's something I really like. Comparing them to Chris. Yeah, this is the newer Chris. Yeah, this is also a custom checkered flag I made. Probably should try getting the other flag colors, and also then trying to get the white flag. But the white flag back again. The Chris Ravstopsky. I got this one was the 2-pack for 2023 of Matty McGear. Yeah, but this pretty much concludes my review on Dexter Hoover. Sorry I didn't really pay that much attention to him in this review. Kind of got a little bit sidetracked. So sorry about that. But thank you all for watching, and goodbye.